In the heart of Silicon Valley, a new era in personal computing was about to dawn. Two young visionaries, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, shared a passion for electronics and a dream of making technology accessible to everyone. In 1976, they founded Apple Computer Co., a company that would revolutionize the way we live, work, and connect with the world. Working out of a garage, Jobs and Wozniak assembled their first product, the Apple I, a bare-bones computer that signaled things to come. The Apple I showcased their technical prowess and commitment to simplicity and user-friendliness. The Apple II, released in 1977, catapulted the company to fame with its color display and user-friendly interface, establishing Apple as a major player in the personal computer market. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, a computer that would redefine the industry and solidify Apple's reputation for innovation. The Macintosh, with its graphical user interface and mouse, made computers intuitive and accessible to the masses. Inspired by Jobs' visit to Xerox PARC, the Macintosh's graphical interface and mouse allowed users to navigate intuitively. At the heart of the Macintosh was a powerful new operating system, later renamed Mac OS, designed for its graphical environment. The Macintosh was praised for its ease of use and elegant design, marking the beginning of a new era in computing. Computers were no longer just tools for work, but gateways to creativity, communication, and entertainment. While the Macintosh remained a cornerstone of Apple's product line, the company continued to innovate and expand its reach. The late 1990s saw the launch of the iMac, a sleek, all-in-one computer that revived Apple's fortunes and ushered in a new era of design-centric computing. In 2001, Apple revolutionized the music industry with the iPod, a portable digital audio player that put thousands of songs in your pocket. The iPod's sleek design, intuitive interface, and seamless integration with iTunes made it a global phenomenon. Just 4 years later, Apple unveiled the iPhone, a revolutionary device that redefined the smartphone market and ushered in the era of mobile computing. Design and innovation. The Apple hallmark. Apple's success has been built on a relentless focus on innovation and design. From the sleek lines of the iMac to the intuitive interface of the iPhone, Apple products are renowned for their elegance, simplicity, and user-friendliness. Jobs instilled a deep appreciation for design into Apple's DNA, believing it was about how a product felt, worked, and integrated into people's lives. Apple's design philosophy is characterized by minimalism, attention to detail, and a focus on the user experience. From the first Macintosh to the latest iPhone, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, creating products that are both groundbreaking and delightful to use. Apple's enduring legacy. Shaping the tech landscape. Apple's impact on the technology industry and popular culture is undeniable. The company's products have not only changed the way we live and work, but have also inspired countless other companies and entrepreneurs. Apple's emphasis on design and user experience has had a profound impact on the tech industry. Beyond its products, Apple has also shaped the way we consume media and access information, revolutionizing the music industry with iTunes and creating a new paradigm for software distribution with the App Store. Apple's brand is synonymous with innovation, style, and a passion for technology. iPhone 16, a testament to Apple's evolution. Fast forward to 2024, and Apple continues to innovate with the release of the iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 boasts an advanced camera system, a brighter and more immersive display, and a new generation of Apple's A-series chip for lightning-fast performance. Significant advancements lie in its software and AI capabilities, integrating AI seamlessly into every aspect of the device. The iPhone 16 is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerful computer, a high-definition camera, and a portal to a vast library of apps and content. As Apple continues to evolve, its unwavering commitment to creating products that enrich and inspire will shape the future of technology for generations to come.